Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hopefully you're having a great day so far. But in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get these silver door handles on your 350Z black with a couple of simple steps. So what you'll need to do is get Plasti dip, which you see here. Plasti dip these. I Plasti dip my front bumper black, my front badge black, and back here this is already like this, but the badge up here is black, and these things are black down here, which I'm going to redo black again because it's kind of coming off. But yeah, that's what we're going to do in today's video. And make sure to subscribe, because if you haven't subscribed already, your name will be at the end of the next video, which is kind of cool for you guys. So make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share with your mates. So let's start with taking the door handle off. So to take the door handle off, there is these two grommets, one here and one there. You have to take these off first, so let's do that. Now that the grommets are off, as you can see here, they're off. There is a bolt there and a bolt there, and it's most likely a 10mm, so yeah. Yep, it is a 10mm, so I'm going to take that off, and then there's going to be most likely a latch that you have to undo from the other side. That's how the door handle works. Okay, I got the door handle out. You have to undo a 10mm bolt that puts the lock on there, and then it just pops right out. So now I'm going to wedge something in it so it keeps the door handle open a little bit, so I can paint around the edges there. I have used low odor terps with a clean rag, and I fully went over the door handle. I've also taped it off, so when it's down on the lid, none of the mechanism stuff will get painted. So I've wedged it in, something in, so I can paint around the edges and inside it a bit, so it looks like it's fully black, not like sort of dodgy black. So now I'm gonna rest on here and get the Plasti dip stuff. This stuff's better in a way because it's cheaper. Does the same thing, so I'm gonna spray that on, and I'll come back to you when it's dry, because I don't want to get my camera. Alrighty, so I decided to give you a bit of an update on the paint. So I've done my second coat now, and it's looking pretty good. I just did my second coat, that's why it's quite wet. Yeah, it's a bit darker now, and I might have to film this in the morning. It honestly doesn't not affect you whatsoever, but just letting you guys know. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. That is now black, and it's not silver, and it's a new day. So we are going to be installing the black door handles back on the 350Z. So it is the next day. I have installed the well, it's actually not the next day, I've lied, but it's a couple of weeks later. But I painted that with Nico pen black, so that doesn't stand out, and it came up pretty well, pretty much perfect. So when you open the door handle, it's like all black up there, black around the sides, so you can't really tell besides there that it was chrome. And here's the other side, so that's perfect as well. So I definitely recommend painting your door handles black to change up the look. And like always, subscribe, like the video, and your name will be at the end of the next video if you subscribe. So yeah, plus dip your door handles and your indicators and your badges and this indicator thing right here. So, yep, see ya.